In this video I have a 2015 Mazda 3 and this is the sedan version. And I'm going to be showing you how to operate the child locking system on the rear doors, which is a nice simple process with no tools required. So with the car unlocked, we're going to open up one of the rear doors fully and just give a bit of a tug on the interior handle, and you'll notice there's a bit of tension there and you can actually hear it operating the lock, which is right here. So here's your latching mechanism and the fixings just holding it in place, and then actually down here you'll notice there's a little tab sticking out and it says lock with a arrow pointing down. So once we go like that, we actually disengage this interior handle and the exterior handle is the only one working, and that's actually operating our child locking system. And to return it to normal, we just flick that back to the normal position and you can feel that's re-engaged with the lock. Nice simple process for you, but I thought it'd be helpful. If it has helped you out, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.